title of my YouTube channel in there. Meron akong page named Daphne and Victoria. Yung profile picture ko doon is yung profile picture ko dito sa YouTube. Please, i-like nyo yung page ko, Daphne and Victoria. Page ko po yun para sa YouTube channel ko. Okay? Meron akong page talaga. My page is about my YouTube channel, okay? Beauty products and everything. You know, it's a Daphne and Victoria. It's about my YouTube channel and beauty products and clothing and fashion. So please do like my page, Facebook page, guys. Bernadette Alconten. Meron akong page. I finally got a page. Facebook page with the name Daphne and Victoria. And I put my YouTube channel in there, my YouTube channel. I put my YouTube channel in there actually, and then my lab in, you know, I have the beauty product and fashion at the same time, yung mga clothing and fashion, ganyan. And then health and beauty and fashion and clothing and fashion. Yan po ang FB page ko. Name ko po, ang name ng FB page ko is Daphne and Victoria. You try to research it. Kung ano po yung profile picture ko dito sa YouTube ko, yun po ang profile picture ko doon sa Facebook page ko. So, ayan. So, now you know, alright? So, ayan. Mag-ano muna ako dito. Kasi papakainin ko muna si Victoria. Ayan. So, paki-like na lang po sa page ko, Daphne and Victoria po. Okay? Sa lahat po ng viewers ko. Yeah, I'm going by, sorry. Hello, Mary JC. It's okay, Mary JC. Thank you also for staying here in my live. Actually, I'm gonna be ending soon because I have been talking here for 1 hour already. Alright, Mary JC. Thank you so much also for being here in my live, Mary JC. I really appreciate that a lot, and I really did enjoy our live today. And to all my new viewers over here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. Guys, okay? Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa akin, thank you so much, okay? And okay, alam mo, Mary GC, thank you so much, Mary GC. I'm gonna check you out. I'm gonna check out your channel as well because I would love to see your new dog. All right, and also Mary GC, I hope to see you again in my next live, Mary GC. I love you. Yeah, thank you. Ayan, lagyan natin ng ano. Okay, so hello guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much to all my viewers over here. Thank you so much for watching to my YouTube channel, Daphne and Victoria 77. Oh, my name is Daphne, guys. You know, my name is Daphne, and I'm live from Davao City, Philippines. Alright, guys. So, if you are new to my channel and to all my future viewers over here, who can able to watch this channel, wherever you are in the world, from Europe, from US, from Eurasia, Asia, wherever you are, even if you're an astronaut or from the sun or whatever, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. Please, guys, namaste. Okay, thank you so much for watching here into my live. I have been talking here for for more than 1 hour now, and I really would like to to close this live very soon. So thank you, Bernadette Alconten. My God, I think I really have to stay a little bit. So guys, thank you so much please sa lahat po ng mga bago kong viewers dito right now. Please don't forget talaga to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe for more videos. Okay, guys? No, hindi pa po ako mag-alis.